Studying for final exams can be stressful, but with the right techniques and routines, you can manage stress while achieving top grades. Start by identifying your goals for each exam and setting a realistic yet challenging target based on your understanding of the material and available study time. Create a detailed study plan that incorporates your schedule, breaks, and specific study tasks while prioritizing consistent, shorter study sessions over cramming. Begin studying well in advance to ensure thorough preparation and confidence, and make studying a regular part of your routine throughout the year. Stay organized by gathering all necessary materials such as class notes and textbooks, and find a quiet study location that suits your preferences. Finally, don't hesitate to attend office hours for additional support and to foster a positive relationship with your instructors.